Now we are going to start with the phylum Ctenophora. It is a small, poorly known group of marine animals and are called comb jellies or sea walnuts. They were formerly included under Cnidaria, but they don't have cnidoblast. So this phylum has near about 50 species and they are mostly feeding on zooplanktons, so they are carnivores. And the most interesting feature of Ctenophora is they are bioluminescence, means they emit light. They have a special light producing cells called as a photocytes. So they are marine, means they are basically found under the sea. Then they are radially symmetrical, diploblastic, two germ layers with the tissue level of organization. Next point, their body bears a 8 external, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green color. These are the external rows of ciliated comb plates which helps them in locomotion. Next point is they show a property to emit light by the photocyte cells. That is why it is called as a well marked feature of the Ctenophora, that is bioluminescence. Then sexes are not separate, so in them they have both the sexes within the same organism. And fertilization is external, means outside, and they have an indirect development. So I have already told you, if directly they don't change into adult form, then in between they have a larval form, then that is called as a indirect development. So larval stage is present in them. Clear? So in their mouth is also a slit like at the main oral end or the pole, and the coelom is absent, skeleton is absent. So the very good example of this is Ctenophora pleurobrachia. Next is Platyhelminthes. Now, Platyhelminthes are plate-like. That is why they are called as a Platyhelminthes. And they are basically the flatworms. That is why they are called platy. Okay. Then there is a little more advancement than the coelentrates in the Platyhelminthes. They are endoparasites which are found in animals including human beings. You know very well, tapeworm. Okay, so they are endoparasite, means they reside within the organism. As they reside within the organism and suck the food, that is endo, and if they are living on the body, they are called as a ectoparasites. So flatworms, you can see the advancement. They don't have a radial symmetry, they have a bilateral symmetry, means they can be cut by the one plane only. Next advancement is they are triploblastic. Still they are acoelomate, but in them three germ layers are present: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Then more advancement is they have a organ level of organization. As they are endoparasite, they are living within the body, so they need something by which they can hold themselves within the body of the host. So they have a hooks and suckers which are present in a parasitic form. So they absorb nutrients from the host directly. As they absorb the nutrients directly from the host body, so they don't have a well developed digestive system. Next more advancement is that they have a flame cells, like we have a kidney for excretion and for osmoregulation. They have a flame cells, so that is the next advancement. As they are living inside the body, sexes are not separate and fertilization is internal, and they have so many larval stages before they achieve or turn into a adult. Okay, some members like planaria possess high regeneration capacity, means like if it is broken down into three pieces, then three pieces will again turn into a new adult. That is called as a regeneration, and that is the asexual mode of reproduction. Now you can see here in the tapeworm, they have a parasitic property. Okay, Taenia solium, that is the scientific name of the tapeworm. And as they are endoparasites, they are respiration is aerobic in free living, but in the parasites they have an anaerobic mode of respiration. Whosoever is living inside, they have a different type of metabolic activities. Circulatory system is absent. Okay, so as coelom is not there, but they have a papilla, very sensitive sensory systems in them. They have a eye spot sensory system, and they have a flame cells for the excretion. Okay, so these are the many advancement features which are present in the phylum Platyhelminthes. Okay.